Hi guys, we received this Gourmet coffee maker, which is really nice. Comes very well protected, so I'm gonna take everything out. This is the connection, and it's nice because it can hold up to 30 cups of coffee, which is nice. Here comes the filter and the tube, so you can use it. Plug it like this. And here we got the instruction manual, which is really easy to operate. Here is the on and off button. It has an LED, and this is the dispenser. Okay, so it's actually really easy to use. You just take the steam base and put it in the center of the base. Take the filter, which is reusable. You just put in here the coffee, lay it on the base. Okay, that, push it in, put the cap on, turn it, and turn it on, and it will start brewing your coffee, which is really nice. And it's a big size, so you can hold many cups of coffee, which I quite like. Okay, so as you can see, it's really nice. It has this stainless steel finish in the urn, which I like, and it has these handles, so when it's hot you don't touch the stainless steel, you touch this part. Okay, so I will actually really recommend it.